Hey everybody, Happy New Year. This is actually New Year's Eve, but you'll probably get this, and it will be 2018. So, Happy New Year again. And I am in San Diego still for the holiday break before I go back up to LA. So I planted the new variety of seeds that everybody got, and mistakenly used not the best marker to write down what all these are. So I didn't plant everything that we provided. I actually found some bush beans from a couple seasons ago and really want bush beans, so I went ahead and planted those. But I did royal snap peas there, and I have them off to the side so that we can trellis them again on the support beam. And I also did a lot of arugula and two cilantro. So arugula, peas, beans, cilantro. We have some cilantro already going right now, which is awesome. We have some fennel. This is a starter plant that I got from Anderson's La Costa Nursery. So we know that a lot of people have said, hey, are you going to do starter plants again? We just don't have the scale or number of members that would require or that would be required in order to do that. It's pretty logistics intensive, so that's why seeds are a good alternative. But you can always start from starter plants. And Anderson's is a great place. You can see that I moved my cabbage to the bottom because it's getting huge and I don't want it blocking my seeds up top. And our peppers are still going strong. These are actually some of my parents' favorites. They've been grilling them up with onions and putting them on eggs, carne asada, tamales. So these are pretty awesome and are pretty prolific too. So we've already picked probably 20 or so, and have another 20 that are still on the plant, and new little ones coming in. You can see that guy right there. So all those flowers. If you guys do have some of your cabbage leaves down here, anything around the bottom, this is all like old. These are just old leaves, so don't freak out if you see leaves that don't look perfect and pristine. Just take them off. I'm going to take some off from the back as well. And really let these develop heads. Heads of lettuce. You can see in there like that, or heads of cabbage. That's one of the heads that is going to form. We have another one right in here, so we should have plenty of cabbage. We also did our nutrients and are excited to have this new soil as well. So we heard you loud and clear, and we had some similar results with ours. So we switched to a more organic soil and have already done tests with it, and it's worked great. Some of you are already using it. To everybody else, this will be your first time using it with this latest package that we just sent. So let us know the results. These guys should germinate pretty quick. And Happy New Year again. And I will see you guys shortly. All right, bye.